Well. Did AMC just re-wake back up? Great day. Realistically, the last two good days on AMC. I did day trade AMC twice. Currently holding a position into tomorrow. Do have 10 options contracts on that. Day traded this morning, AMC. Yesterday, I caught it for a little bit of a move. So let's just talk about the technicals and what I see going on here with AMC. Let me fix this a little bit. I hate when my chart is not, I feel like it's not even. Um, let's talk a little bit about AMC. We could be looking at a little bit of a gamma squeeze going on here. So, a little bit different than a massive short squeeze. Okay, I'm not saying we're going back up to $74 or nothing like that. But what I'm saying is when you have a stock that's heavily shorted, there's a lot of put interest on the stock, meaning a lot of people, are kind of hedging this, hedging the market with shorting and buying put options on these smaller cap stocks that have really been beaten down. And then they start to move higher. You have to kind of close those positions out. Why? Because obviously, if you're shorting the stock and, let's say you got strike prices 15, 16, 14, 13, 12 on AMC, and now we start running back up, you're going to lose premium on that. And depending on when you get your expiration dates on those options, things can get very, very hairy. So with that being taken into account, fantastic day, up 15%. And it's not just AMC, it's a lot of small cap stocks today that really had good moves. So a lot of these stocks are starting to move up. So could the Russell 2000, could the small caps, the IWM, could they be trying to give us a signal that, hey, you know what, maybe the short-term bottom is in, maybe a lot of this stuff with the fears of inflation and interest rate hikes and whatever else is going on macroly with the economy is kind of already been priced in for the short term. Not to say that these markets can't turn around at the drop of a dime and head lower, but maybe we get a little bit of relief. Maybe we get 1-2 months worth of run up. Maybe we get 6 months. It's yet to be determined. What is determined is that we had one hell of a day here on AMC. So this is exactly what you want to see if you're holding or if you're a bull or you're looking to day trade this long. Yesterday we closed over the 5 and 10 day moving average. I like that. Very, very bullish. That's the first time since we had a little bit of a gap up there at the end of January. But before that, we haven't been over the 5 and 10 day moving average since all the way back in December. So, it's been quite some time that we've been suppressed down at these levels. And could we be basing out here for a potential, upside move? It's entirely possible. We closed at $18.94, up $2.50 on the day. And in the after hours, we're pretty much trading flat. So going into tomorrow, we do have CPI data numbers coming out that could sway the markets in one way or another. I don't like to focus on things that could be negative catalyst. I'm more of a technical analysis trader, and I understand that a lot of these outside catalysts are they're going to really sway stocks up or down, right? But if you have good technical analysis skills, you kind of know where these stocks can go. You can kind of protect yourself by exiting trades, hedging your position, getting long on breakouts, buying supports, kind of just staying in them. So what I do like right now, 1981 and $21. Those are the next two price targets that I have on AMC. That's going to be about another 2 to 3 points worth of movement there. That would be really, really nice. The big level that we want to see AMC crack above, which could really be a telling factor that we could be on the rise again here. So I know a lot of apes would like to hear that, is going to be reclaiming the 50-day moving average. That 50-day moving average right now is sitting at $23.30. I think as soon as we can clear out that level of supply, it's going to really start to force a lot of people who have put options on this to take those off the table. It's going to force a lot of smaller shorts to close their positions. I'm not talking about big hedge funds or nothing like that, institutional firms. They got millions and millions of dollars and, could buy as many shares as they want to, however many they have, a couple dollar move is not really going to squeeze them out. But, when you have someone who's maybe trading $50,000, $100,000 in this and they've shorted a position, those type of people, they need to kind of cover their position before, they really get slapped. With that being said, if we do get over $19.81, that's going to put us into the next channel. Right now, we are trading underneath the bottom of the linear regression, channel 50. So, a big wide range there. $38 is the top and 1981 is the bottom. So right now we're trading below that. If we can get back over 20, okay, back over $20, I think we make a pretty quick and easy move back up to 23. That is going to bring so much attention back into the stock. It's going to get a lot of people excited if we can do that. And if we can do that, I think 27 would be the next price target. Let's give it about 30 to 60 days to see that type of price action. As long as we don't lose the bottom. So, a couple of guys in the Discord took this play. Few people made some good money on it today. Day trading it. A couple of people swung it from last week. What I was really looking at and kind of talking about in the Discord, by the way, if you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. But the level that I was talking about is, if AMC can hold $13, the potentially short-term floor here. We're building a base now, multiple days down here between $12 and $14. If we can build that base down here, we can just easily use, $12.82 as our stop and kind of get into this trade. And as long as we're trading above it, just continue to hold. Just continue to hold this until, profits see fit or whenever you're comfortable taking those profits. So I still feel the same way. As long as we're over $12.82, I would continue to hold. I wouldn't do too much. If you are a day trader or a scalper, give you a couple of levels that you want to look at. Today's highs, 1894. We're going to have another dollar worth of room. So 1981 would be your first profit take. And then from there, $21. Those are the areas you're going to want to play and stay between. Obviously, if we have something, phenomenal happen, then 23.29 is the next level that you're going to want to look at. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, please subscribe to my channel. I put out multiple technical analysis videos, kind of marking out levels, supports, resistances, giving you guys some ideas on where you can potentially trade these stocks. Because, at the end of the day, we're all doing this for one reason. We're all doing this to make money. I enjoy this type of crap. I enjoy this stuff, a lot, looking at charts, playing the price action, following along with the trends and everything. So I really, really enjoy it. It's no sweat off my back to, give these levels out and stuff. If you guys want to trade with me, definitely check out my website, evolutiontraders.com. Join the Discord, and I'll see you guys all in the next trading video.